Hi! Yo! Good morning mga kalaags, kumusta? Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat, ano? It's actually noon time. No, it's 11:32 in the morning. Update lang, I am going now to the city to go to our store. Before I proceed, no, I just would like to ask everyone to please support my channel. Meron na pala akong bagong title, no? It's Gang Soy TG, no? Gang Tisoy daw tour guide, no? And then yeah, the topic that we're going to talk right now is will relate to that, no? And makakatulong din ito sa ating parating na IVRA, no? This is actually about the IVRA. Kukonek ko na lang siya, pag-uusapan natin ngayon, ano? So I changed the title of the or my wife suggested to change the title from Gang Tour Guide TV, okay, to Gang Soy TG. Gang Soy means short term for Gang Tisoy, kasi Tisoy daw. And TG means tour guide, no? Kasi I am original tour guide nga from the Department of Tourism. And why am I reiterating this? Oh, before I proceed nga pa pala, no, bago ako dumiretso or magpatuloy, please po support by clicking by clicking like, sharing, and most especially subscribing and hit the notification button po of my channel. So my channel po is Gang Soy TV. Okay? Bakit nga pala, or I mean, I could say that this name is actually a blessing in disguise, no? Kasi for one, kinonect ko siya sa paparating na IVRA. Bakit? Why? What's the relation? Okay? What is the relation? Very simple lang po yan, no? Sa palagay ko, in my own opinion, kaya ko siya ni-relate kasi yung slogan po ng Ormoc is actually City of Beautiful People. Okay? And then ako ay Tisoy. City of Beautiful People. And then paparati yung ating IVRA. IVRA is actually Eastern Visayas Regional Athletic Association. By the way, yung opening po is on May 5, no? Yung ating event is May 5 to 10. Malaking event po ito. Okay? Meron po tayong mga artista na papunta dito, may mga bisita, no? So this is a very big event. We are expecting to have delegates from different school divisions all over Eastern Visayas, no? Meron tayong mga around the 9 to 10,000 or more na mga guests, mga bisita na pupunta dito sa ating syudad ng magagandang lalaki, magagandang tao or city of beautiful people, kumbaga. Okay. Now, bakit natin reiterate yung City of Beautiful People as the slogan? Kasi this will be the test, no? Ito na po iyong prueba or proof or ano bang tamang term, no? Ito na po yung parang basihan kung talaga ang Ormoc is the City of Beautiful People. Ito po yung IVRA. Okay? Yung slogan po na City of Beautiful People does not actually just talk about how beautiful the people of Ormoc are. Beautiful and handsome, ha? Ako Tisoy ako eh. So hindi ako gwapo. No? Beautiful City of Beautiful People. Yang city of yang slogan na yan is actually broad yan, no? Malalim yung meaning niya, no? So ngayon napaparati yung ating IVRA. Ibig sabihin po noon mga kalaak is that we show how we pinapapakita po natin kung paano natin ipapakita sa ating mga guests na they are very welcome dito sa Ormoc. Okay? So ibig sabihin ng ating beautiful people, our pagiging courteous, ating pagiging accommodating, ang ating pagiging friendly, no? Inisa siya sa isang slogan na City of Beautiful People. Okay? So, one example of it is actually itong ating IVRA. Okay? So, this is actually a test for us kung paano natin kung halimbawa may mga athletes or advisors nila or coaches nila na makikita natin sa mall. Okay? Anong gagawin natin? Iisnabin ba natin? Kakausapin ba natin? Ano? Mind you, meron nang dumating. Okay? And you will know these delegates, they are from other places because they wear IDs. Okay? Athletes sila or ano pa sila dyan. They wear IDs, go around the mall, go around the city. Ormoc is actually known to be the city of beautiful people kasi talaga maganda talaga yung mga tao sa Ormoc. And that is true. But, again, we need to further prove na tayo talaga ay maganda. Let us make a lasting impression kung, kung totoo ba talagang city of beautiful people tayo. Which is, we are a city of beautiful people. Kasi, sabi ko nga, mga kalaags, mayroon na tayong mga dumating na mga bisita galing sa iba't ibang lugar ng ating rehiyon 8 or Eastern Visayas, meron na. So, ako nga kahapon, meron ako mga nakikitang mga bata or mga athletes, kasama yung mga teachers nila na nasa mall. Kinausap ko na, winelcome ko na, ganyan tayo na yung umuna, mayroon namang iba na tumatawid ngayon sa daan, tatawid sa daan, hindi alam kung saan pupunta, tulungan na natin, okay, because we are beautiful people living in a beautiful place called Ormoc, okay, kaya nga tinatawag tayong city of beautiful people, and at least we could give a lasting impression, magbigay tayo ng lasting impression sa magandang memory, lasting impression sa mga tao na kung pag-uwi nila sa kanilang bahay, kanilang lugar, masasabi nila nga, wow, maganda ang Ormoc. Remember, sa previous IVRA na tayo yung nag-host, maganda na yung ating pag-host ng IVRA, okay? But then ngayon, mas nag-level up tayo. Again, I am asking you to help our visitors, guide them properly. Let us be the city of beautiful people kasi we're already beautiful. Totoo yung sinasabi nila na kapag ikaw ay hindi taga Ormoc at papasok ka ng Ormoc, ikaw ay part na sa pagiging part ka na ng city of beautiful people, which is actually true. True lalo. Okay? So, hindi makakalimutan itong aking syudad. Nasabi kong akin kasi dito ako nakatira, pinakamamahal ko itong lugar na ito, So, kaya I am proud to say that I am living in the city of beautiful people. And as a tour guide, okay, bilang isang tourist guide, mayroon tayong mga bisita. Ako din naman ay sa abot ng aking makakaya, kung may makikita ako mga bisita, kahit na hindi po ako binabayaran, mga kalaags, kahit na hindi ko po ito nagagamit professionally, as long as may nakikita ako sa labas na bisita, nilalapitan ko sila, kinakausap ko sila, tinatanong ko sila kung saan sila pupunta o kailangan ba nila yung ng aking tulong. Kasi nga, we are the city of beautiful people. Okay? Kaya, hopefully, let us continue to be beautiful. Hindi ako beautiful, I am Tisoy. Yun lang. And then, let us make a very, very good impression. Let us let these people put into their minds, na kung gaano kaganda, gaano kasaya, gaano mapagmahal ang mga tao sa Ormoc. Okay? ginawa na ng lahat ng sa abot na makakaya ng ating lokal na pamahalaan ng Ormoc, ng bayan ng Ormoc, ang magagawa nila na para pagandahin at para pag-prepare naman sa parating na IVRA. Okay? So ngayon naman as a resident, as a local of Ormoc City, let us also do our part and share and give wonderful memories, no, sa ating mga bisita na darating, ano. Hindi man tayo directly part ng kung anumang mga ginagawang activities ngayon ng syudad, no, hindi man tayo party doon, but in our own little way makakatulong tayo doon sa ating mga bisita, no. Lapitan lang natin, kausapin natin, gawin natin, kaibiganin natin, ano, tulungan natin sa kanilang pupuntahan, no? Kasi yan yung taga Ormoc. Yan ang Ormoc. Yan ang City of Beautiful People. Tayo yan. Hindi pala tayo. Ako, ikaw, tayong lahat. Ano? We are living in one city and one city alone. Ano ba? Yeah, City of Beautiful People. Marami kasing pangalan yung Ormoc dati eh. City of Smiles, no? City of where people are sweeter than sugar, City of Sweet Pineapple. Lahat ng yon meron yung mga ibig sabihin, ano. But the City of Beautiful People talaga is something that is very, very close to my heart. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, we are not just beautiful through our face, but as a citizen of Ormoc, we are very, very beautiful. Okay? Gets nyo? Okay. Pasensya nga po pala kanina na medyo naputol po yung aking tawag dito, aking video, ano? Sige, hopefully that you will still support me. Okay? Again, paki-like, paki-share, paki-subscribe, ring na ng notification bell, and then Gang Soy TV. Kasi sabi nga ng asawa ko, hindi daw ako gwapo. Tisoy. Okay? Gora? Now, last lang po, announce ko lang po sa inyo na yung ating IVRA is pinakamalaking event this year na mangyayari dito sa Ormoc. Actually, meron pa tayo isang event na paparating ngayong June, and that is the celebration of our city fiesta. And malaki din yung preparation na yan, ano, but by far yung pinakamalaki talaga ngayon is yung IVRA, kasi we're expected to have around more than 10,000 na guests natin, ano. So hopefully tulungan natin yung ating syudad na i-welcome itong ating mga bisita. Okay? Alright? So, with that being said, mga kalags, maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig, sa inyong pag-follow sa akin, ano. I really appreciate it that much, ano, and continue to follow me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!
I'll get those you trust.